right, question 2D, find the area. So we're going to do step 1 is to cut into triangles. So when I do that, I'm provided the hypotenuse, which is 9. And in this case, unlike some of the other ones on the previous page, they don't number or tell you how many sides are on here. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sides, so I'm going to write n equals 6 over here just for later. And then step number 2 is to find an angle. So I'm going to do 180 times n, which is 6. Now it's later, minus 2 divided by 6. So I get 180 times that, and then divided by that, we get 120. And then we're going to cut that in half because that angle got split in half by our line we drew. So 60 degrees goes right here. So that is actually going to match up with 30, 60, 90. So on step number 3, when we find base and or height, we're going to use a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So I'm drawing what's on your toolkit. You don't have to draw it. I just want you to be able to see what we're using. Okay, so when I look at this, well, first of all, we need the base and the height. So we need both. When I look at this, I'm provided the 9, which is the 2x side. So 9 is the 2x side. So 2 times what is 9 is the question. So 2 times 4.5 is 9. So x equals 4.5 for us. So what that means is we plug in 4.5 in all these spots, but we got to make sure it's correct here. So since 60 is down here and 60 is down here, they look exactly the same. They're not rotated or reflected or anything like that. So we know that x squared root of 3 would go here, so it's going to be 4.5 square root of 3 goes on that side for the height, so 4.5 square root of 3 there. And then for the base, it's just x, so just 4.5, so 4.5 right there. And in this case, it's the base. In other cases, it may be in different spots. So step number 3 is done. Step number 4 is to find the area. So we're going to do 1/2 times base, 4.5, times height, 4.5 square root of 3, times how many right triangles you have, which would be double the amount of sides, so 12. So a lot less work than the other ones. So 0.5 in our calculator times 4.5 times 4.5 square root of 3, and then times 12. You get 210.44 units squared.